Assalamualaikum class. Good morning. We are on chapter number 1, food and feeding habits of animals. Yes, Ayana Dee. Ayana Dee.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. Better you hear my voice clearly?
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, start reading. Start with this. Some animals nibble their food. I told you the mode of feeding. Some are chewing, some are swallowing their foods. Some are grinding because they have grinding teeth, they have large jaws, and they have large teeth. Now we have to learn about how animals nibble their foods. What is the meaning of nibble? Nibble means very small bites, very small bites. Some animals nibble their food. Animals like mice and rabbits that nibble their food with sharp front teeth. These animals eat their food by taking small bites. I told you nibble means small bites because they have very small sharp teeth like mouse, like rabbit. We are on page number 5. Now, lapping of liquid food. Animals like cats and dogs lap liquid like water and mix with their tongue. Some animals like cat and dog lap means they both take food like water and milk with their tongues. Tongue means zuban. Now move towards animals nibble their food. Some animals like butterflies and mosquitoes have a feeding tube in the place of mouth. They have a simple tube like in their mouth. This tube is called proboscis. What is proboscis? Underline it. Proboscis is a feeding tube in the mouth. It works like a straw. We all take juices and milkshakes with the help of straw. These like the straws, they have also a feeding tubes, which is known as proboscis. A butterfly uses the proboscis to suck liquid like nectar from flowers. A mosquito uses it to suck food, to suck blood. We know that the butterflies sucks nectar from the flowers and mosquitoes sucks blood. These all are these all are the mode of feeding of the animals. It means how they feed, how they eat, how they drink milk. Now move towards the another page, page number 6. Page number 6. Fill in the blanks. Carnivores eat their food by tearing and chewing. Tearing, T-E-A-R, tearing, and C-H-E-W-I-N-G, chewing. Write it.
Teacher, I can't understand.
Bete, what you can't understand?
Next page.
Page number 6.
No, page number 5.
Page number 5.
I'm writing the flings blanks. I can't understand. Page number 5.
Okay. Okay, you please be focused and be attentive. You hear my voice clearly?
Yes.
You hear my voice clearly, Ayan?
Yes.
So why you didn't understand?
No, I can't see the book and I can't understand.
What you can't see? Class, I told you about the feeding method of the animals. Some animals nibble their food. Nibble means small bites. They, they eat their food with the help of their sharp teeth and take some small bites. Lapping of liquid food. Some dogs and cats lap liquids with their tongues. Some animals suck their food, like butterfly and mosquitoes suck their food with the help of proboscis. What is proboscis? Underline it. Proboscis is a feeding tube. Yes, some animals suck their food. Butterflies and mosquitoes have a feeding tube in the place of mouth. I told you. What is proboscis? Proboscis is a feeding tube in the mouth. This tube is called proboscis because the feeding tube is like a straw. We all know about the straws. We use straws to suck the juices, to take drinks. A butterfly uses the proboscis to suck liquid like nectar from flowers. A mosquito uses it to suck blood. I told you the butterflies uses like straws to suck nectar from flowers. A mosquito uses it to suck blood. Now move towards the you have to write the fill in the blanks. Carnivores eat their food by tearing, 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 and chewing, chewing. Frogs shoot out their dash to catch food. I told you frogs uses sticky tongue. Sticky, sticky, tongue, tongue. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Nec, tor, tar, nectar, nectar, nectar. Now, food for domestic animals. What are the food for domestic animals and what are domestic animals? Domestic animals are those who live in the houses too, like in the farms too, like hens, like goats, like cows. We keep cows. Okay, start reading. We keep cows, goats, and camels for their milk. Goats, sheep, and hens are kept for their meat because we eat meat of hens. Sheep means goat and goats. Hens and ducks also give us eggs. Horses, buffaloes, and bullocks are used in farming. Farming means they are used in farms, fields. Animals like horses, donkeys, and bullocks are used to carry loads. In this picture, you have to see donkey is used to carry loads. Unlike animals which live freely in nature, domestic animals depend on us for their food because we know that some animals live freely. It means they don't depend upon us, but domestic animals are those who depend upon us for their food because we give food to them. So they have to be given proper food to keep them healthy. कि हम उनको अच्छा खाना दें ताकि वो healthy रहें. Domestic animals. Different domestic animals need different types of food. Beasts of burdens like donkeys, elephant, camel, which carry load for us, need more energy. So they should be given energy giving food. I told you that donkey, elephant, camels are used to carry load. So we have to given more food to them because they need more energy to do work to load carry. Egg-laying animals should be given protein-rich food. They should be given clear water to drink in a clean vessel. Egg-laying animals are those who lay eggs like hens, ducks. So we should give clean water. हम उनको साफ पानी दें ताकि वो पिएं साफ वेसल के अंदर, क्लीन वेसल के अंदर. क्लीन वेसल मीन साफ बर्तन के अंदर. Okay, move towards the page number 7. Exercise. Animals depend on dash for food. Animals depend on plants. Pick the plants. Animals which eat both plant and animals are called omnivores. Pick the omnivore. Dash nibble their food. Mice. Mouse. Mouse take the small bites. A mosquito sucks blood using its proboscis. I told you what is proboscis. Proboscis is a feeding tube like a straw. Fifth one, crocodiles have large, sharp teeth. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Pick the sharp. Carnivores have sharp, dash and curved teeth, pointed. Pointed. Now match the following. Cow. Cow is chew the cud. Cow chews the cud. Cow chews the cud. Now second one, snake. Snake swallows the food whole. Snake swallows the food whole. Snake swallows the food whole. Now third one, elephant. Elephant tears of grass with trunk. Elephant tears of grass with trunk. Frog. Frog catches insects with tongue. Fifth, butterfly. Butterfly sucks nectar with proboscis.
टीचर
Yes.
टीचर मैं आप पीछे चली गई, आप आगे चली गई थी, मैं पीछे चला गया हूँ, अब मैंने कर ली है।
क्या बेटे?
वो आप जल्दी कर रही थी, मैं पीछे चला गया था, तो मैंने कर लिया सारा।
You did filling the blanks and matching?
यस, हाँ जी, मैच भी किया।
Match भी किया है. Okay, very good.
वो नीचे क्वेश्चन आंसर था, उसका आंसर नहीं लिखा।
क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के जो नोट्स हैं वो आपको स्कूल से मिलेंगे, अभी नहीं, अभी आपसे बुक वर्क करेंगे. ओके.
Okay.
Ayan,
Yes.
tell me
Yes.
cows mode of feeding. Cow mode of feeding.
Yes.
Tell me the mode of feeding of cow.
I can't hear your voice.
Why you didn't hear my voice?
Now I didn't. Yes.